Suzuki was in shackles after its champion Joan Mir was forced to take a break from the next Motogp race due to severe injury from a crash. There was a sense of confusion around the replacement of Joan Mir, who could perform and meet the standards of the world champion in the next race. It seems like Suzuki has finally found the replacement. If you like speed and are fascinated by the world of motorsports, please like, share, and subscribe to Fervent Motorsports channel to receive all the latest updates from the world of motorsports. It is Danilo Petrucci who might replace Suzuki's champion Joan Mir in the next race. However, Livio Suppo, who sought the replacement, has not yet confirmed the news about Danilo replacing Joan Mir for the next race, but the chances are quite high. Another name that popped up was Sylvain Guintoli. The rider has shown some commendable performance and has seamlessly adapted his racing stances from MotoGP to Superbike and then to unforgiving Dakar races. The news of Danilo thinking to replace Joan Mir has put Ducati in deep worry. Danilo is young and loves to experiment with his bike and racing style. Ducati fears that introducing Danilo to the tracks of MotoGP might malign the format of the premier motorcycle racing, as Danilo wants to race at superbike races already. Currently, he has no place in the Aruba team, but participating in MotoGP just might open the gates of superbike races for him. Whoever replaces Joan Mir has to make sure of one thing, that Mir has a legacy to uphold. And whatever the case or personal agenda of the replacement rider might be, he will have to uphold the standards of the Suzuki team as well as his rider Joan Mir.